Just look how phenomenal that is. It is so rich and luxurious. But let's get started. What we're going to need is some heavy cream. I have 2 cups of heavy cream in this bowl, and it's very cold. And what we want to do is we want to keep that in the refrigerator until we're ready for it. We're also got some Hershey's milk chocolate here. This is about 10 to 11 pieces of Hershey's milk chocolate or so. The regular small pieces that you get in a pack of 12. You can use the whole pack of 12 if you'd like. I just kind of broke them up in smaller pieces, easier for it to melt. I also have another half a cup of heavy cream. I have 2 cups in one bowl, a half a cup in another bowl. I'm just going to pour that in my saucepan, and I've got some confectioner's sugar and cocoa powder. I've got 1 cup of confectioner's sugar and 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. In my saucepan with my heavy cream, I'm going to add in my chocolate, and on medium heat, I'm just going to melt that. It's going to take about 1 to 2 minutes. You don't want anything to boil. You really don't want to get it too hot. We just want to melt it. When it's halfway or 3/4 way melted, I'm going to turn my heat off and let the remaining heat just melt the chocolate away, and we want that to cool. So when it's cooled, we're going to get our heavy cream out of the fridge, and we're going to start whipping it until it becomes nice, and it starts to thicken up real well. And then we're going to sift in our 1 cup of confectioner's sugar and 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. I love to use Dutch processed cocoa powder, but you know, that's really going to depend on what you have. So just going to combine that together and mix it real well. And then we're just going to pour in our melted chocolate that has been cooled. So we're going to just pour that in and mix it up real well. This is such a fantastic recipe, and you're just going to mix that until it becomes really, really thick. You do not want to overmix because it can, you know, it just will be a huge mess. But you do want to just mix it till it's nice and thick. This needs to go into a refrigerator and cool for about maybe an hour or so before you use it. You do want to keep it nice and cold. And this is a perfect topping for cakes or cupcakes or a frappuccino. Anything with chocolate, this is perfection. I will be making a chocolate cake using this whipped cream, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.